So all of you, good evening, guys. Are you audible? Okay, right. So in the last session, we started correlated subquery, and I was given one example here. Okay, right. But this is your correlated definition and the syntax how to find out nth highest or lowest salary from a table. Okay, now, right. Here, observe guys here. So how this query will be using us to finding nth highest or lowest. Let us see. Okay, right. So guys here, first of all, one sample table I'm creating with a small data, okay, because easy to understanding purpose, okay, right, okay, so employee ID, so employee name and employee salary, for example. So this is one table guys here. Later I'm inserting few records into this employee table, okay, let you see here. So employee ID 1021, the name was Sai, and the amount is, for example, 58,000 rupees. Okay, so like this, a few information, few employees information I'm inserting into this table guys here. So Adams, and the salary was 15,000. 1023, the name is okay, Jones, and the salary was 85,000 rupees. 1024, the name is Word, and this employee salary, for example, here, for example, 30,000 rupees. 1025, okay, so the employee name is Miller, okay, so his salary was, for example, let you see here, 45,000 rupees, okay, and 1026, that employee is okay, Scott, and his salary was, for example, 85,000 rupees. So I just made it commit guys, and after that when you call your table emp, okay, 11. Okay, right. So this is a small table, and employees salaries are there here. So total 6 employees, and out of 6 employees, every employee salary we have it. And in this table, there are 2 employees are there guys here, like Jones and Scott, both are having same salary, like 85,000, 85,000. Okay, so maybe there is a chances are there the both employee salaries are having same. Okay, now, right. So this is what we call it as guys here, the table. Now on this table, let me find out your operations now. Okay, so this is our, now it is my working table. On this table, let you find out here. So what is my first example guys here? Write a query to find out the first highest salary, employee details from 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 table. Okay, so any table. So let it come out. So generally, the first highest salary, when you want to get it, when you want to get okay, by using of non-correlated. So we know how to write non-correlated subquery to finding your first highest salary. Okay, but the same thing when I go for correlated subquery. So how we can find out this first highest salary? Let you come back. So as per the formula, select a star from EMP, where here n minus 1 is my formula. So yesterday I was given the complete syntax, select a star from table name, table alias name, where n minus 1 is equals to select a count of distinct column name, okay, from table name, table alias name 2, where table alias 2 name, table alias name 2 dot column name either less than or greater than table alias name 1 dot column name. Okay, now so this is what our syntax, guys, and let you come back and see. So now I just go to here, emp e1 is the alias, where here my formula n minus 1. Okay, here my formula n minus 1. So my formula n minus 1 means how this n minus 1 I want to take it here means the formula n minus 1 here. So n minus 1 is my formula. Now here, which highest salary are you finding, guys, here? Which highest salary are you finding, guys, here? First highest salary. So first highest salary means, can I say n is equals to 1? Can I say n is equals to 1? Yes. So if here n value is equals to 1, n value is equals to 1. So that one value I'm going to substitute it in my formula. So what is my formula? N minus 1. So n minus 1 is equals to, okay, n minus 1 is equals to, so n is equals to how much, guys, here? So the first highest salary we need to find out. So first highest means what now? N is equals to 1. That n is equals to 1, you want to substitute in this formula. Then what it was happen? 1 minus 1 is equals to how much, guys, here? 0. So all of you clear this calculation? Okay. Then 1 minus 1, okay, is equals to 0. So the 0 I want to place in place of n minus 1. So let you come back here. Wherever n minus 1 is there, in place of n minus 1, I want to keep 0. 0 is equals to inner query. Inner query is what? Select. Here I'm using count and distinct. So can you tell me, guys, a distinct keyword, why should we want to use? Already early classes I discussed with you. Distinct keyword, why should we want to use? Yes, to eliminating duplicate values. To eliminating duplicate values. Otherwise, to remove your duplicate values. Okay. And now the column is what now? Salary column. Okay, sorry, here from EMP 11 table na. So EMP 11 E1 alias name, where n minus 1 means 0. 0 is equals to select count of star. Okay, sorry, count of distinct on which column? Salary column, from EMP 11 E2 second alias name, and the condition of inner core is what? E2 dot salary. Here I'm using greater than. Okay, so here whatever the symbol is using here, the greater than symbol, okay, here less than and greater than here. So here simple, I want to give one hint here. Less than, we are using lowest salary. Okay, less than we are using, greater than we are using for highest salary. Carefully observe. Okay, so now less than we are using lowest salary, and greater than we are using highest salary. So now we are finding what now? Highest salary we are finding. So that's why I'm using what now? Greater than, and E1 dot salary. Let it close your inner query and to execute. So the first highest salary employees, so how many people are getting the first highest salary? So those employees information is, we got it. Those employees information is, we got it. Okay, now, right. But your question is how this query how this query will executed. So many people having a doubt, and some people are confused here how this output was came. Okay, let me see, guys. Observe. So each and every point I will explain to you. Carefully observe. So this is our actually query, guys. If you see the query, okay, this is our query. Okay, now, right. So in this, first thing is what now? We all of you know zero how it was came. We all of you know zero how it was came. So the zero how it was came, I was given the solution for zero. The zero how it was came, I was given the solution. Okay, let you check out here. Carefully observe. So zero how it was came, I was given here. Right, I just keep it now. Okay, now fine. Now later, now later, fine. And the next one is what now? Here observe. Here you identify, guys. Here there are two alias names I created. One is E1 alias, here one thing, and E2 alias is there. So, but already we knows that when you created alias name on a table, when you created alias name on a table, internally your Oracle server is created duplicate copies. Okay, so the same mechanism, can you remember in self join? Can you remember in self join? Can you remember in self join? Okay, right. So now same thing I have to do it here. So on the name of E1 alias, one table is created, guys. Here one virtual table or virtual copy is prepared, and one name of E2, one virtual copy is prepared. So in this, I will be take here some columns. Okay, so this is your table. Okay, what we taken here right now. So this table already we know. So come to your database. This is your table. So we have it this table. So same table, I'm taking your salary information. So remaining, I don't want it. The salary is enough for just a comparison purpose. So this is one of my column, guys. In this, I will take two salaries information I'm taking here. So salaries information I'm taking now. Just observe. It's a salary column. And this is your information, guys, here. So just assume this. Right. This is, okay, the salary information. The same thing, I just go for, okay, this is also same table now. So same data will be there. So same data will be there here also. Okay, so now I just go to copy this. Okay, right. So these are the tables, guys. Okay, now, and in this, what I want to take here, so the tables are, for example, this is, I will take here E2 table, and this is E1 alias table. E1 alias table. Okay, fine. And in between, can you see guys here, in between E1 and E2, this is our inner query condition. This is our inner query condition. So inner query condition, this one, E2 dot salary, E2 dot salary. So E2 dot salary is a greater than of E1 dot salary. So carefully observe, very important and very simple. Self join, all of you know now, same like this. Now in between, what I'm using guys here, greater than. The symbol is greater than. Okay, fine. So this is I was taken. Next alias names are over. Next zero, how it was came, is over. Next, what is now? Count function I'm using. So this is whatever the requirement. So here I need to use a count function. So here my requirement. So count of okay, here I'm using what now? Distinct keyword. So here I'm using what now? Count of distinct keyword, distinct, on which column here? Salary column. On which column here? Salary column. Okay now, right? So this is what it was happening, guys. Now we can see. So complete your query. The zero, how it was came, I was explaining. E1, E2 alias tables are created, and E2 dot salary greater than E1 dot salary condition I was given, and count of distinct salary also given. Okay now, fine. So now let me started how this process and comparisons will be happen. Okay now, right? Now tell me guys one thing. In this E1 and E2 alias, two aliases are there now. In this two aliases, which alias is a outer query alias, guys? Yes, E1 is a alias and E1 is a outer query alias. Good, fine. E1 is a outer query alias and E2 is a inner query alias. Okay, right. But tell me guys one thing. In our correlated subquery, first which query is executed, outer query or inner query? Yes, first outer query is executed. So outer query is executed, that is your correlated. I already given the definition for you. So outer query, what is the definition we said? In this first outer query is executed and returning a value based on outer query value. Inner query will be executed later. Yes or no? So now, okay, fine. So that means your query execution will be started from outer query to inner query. So now in this E1 and E2, E1 is an outer query. So that's why your query comparisons, how we want to do comparisons means, yes, the comparisons you have to do E1 to E2. The comparisons you have to do E1 to E2. So now each row in a first table comparing with all values and all rows of second table. So already self join mechanism you already know. The same thing, I just go to follow it here. Right. So now the comparison will be like this. So comparison, what I'm saying here, E1 to E2 comparison I'm giving. So first row in E1 comparing with all values of E2 alias table. So carefully observe, once you understand this mechanism, remaining all are same as it is. Right. Okay, now 58,000. Here which symbol is there? Here which symbol is there? Greater than symbol. This symbol you can see, greater than. So now let you see guys, 58,000 Greater than means above. 58,000 above. How many salaries are there in my E2 table? How many salaries are there in my E2 table? 58,000 above. How many salaries are there in E2 table? 58,000 above. Above, I'm asking above here. Apurva, I'm asking above. How many salaries are there in E2 table? Yes, two values are there. So two values are there. One is we called as a 85,000 is above 58 and 85,000 above 58. That means two values are there which is more than 58,000. There are two values are there which is more than 58,000. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. But 85,000 here, both are 85 means, can I say it is a duplicate value? Yes. But here, can you see on my salary column which okay, which keyword I'm using here? Distinct keyword I'm using. So distinct keyword means duplicates are counting or not counting? Duplicates are not counting. So duplicates are not counting means, now tell me 58,000 above how many salaries are there which is more than 58? One or two? Yeah, one only there. One only there because 85,000 two times. But distinct keyword means duplicate don't count. Don't count means how many values are there? Yes, one only there. So that means a 58,000 above. How many salaries more than means one salary. The count is one. The count is one because count function only one salary was there which is 58,000 above. Count is one. Now that count is one, I want to send my condition here. Observe what is my condition here, guys. Where outer query result is 0 is equals to inner query result. Inner query result, how much it was came? 1. So 0 is equals to 1. Condition true or false? Condition is false. Okay na, the point is clear na? The point is clear na? Come on. Okay na? Right. So now what happened here? Here count I'm giving side inside count I'm giving, guys, observe counts. So count is 1. So that 1 is a inner query result. That inner query result 1, I'm comparing with outer query result 0. Yes or no? So 0 is equals to 1. Okay, condition is false. Okay na? Right. Same to same. Next you have to check here, guys. Next we have to compare now. 15,000 compare now. See, who are not understanding, please once again check it. 15,000 I'm comparing now. So 15,000 value, compare each and every value of E2 alias table. Same self join. Self join already you know na. Same self join. Single table comparison. Same self join. Now tell me guys. 15,000 above. How many values are there in E2 table? 15,000 above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 values are there which is more than 15,000. But out of 5 values, one duplicate is there na? Come on. Duplicate is counting or not counting? So that means one duplicate don't count. Don't count one duplicate. Now that means how many values now? Yes, 4 values. So that means inner query result is how much here? 4. And that 4 I need to compare with my condition or not? Yes or no? 0 is equals to inner query count is what? 4. So 0 is equals to 4. Condition true or false? Yes, condition is false. Okay, let you take one more. Okay, next one I'm taking here. Observe. Next 85,000. See my arrow, different colors I'm taking here. Don't confuse the different colors I'm using. So by seeing of these different colors, you can understand easily. Next I was compared 85,000. Now tell me guys, 85,000 above, how many values? Is there any value was there 85,000 above? No. So 80,000 above, there is no value. No value means count is what? 0 or 1? Your count is what? 0. Yes. So my count is 0. So 85,000 above, there is no value. So count is 0. And now that 0 inner query value 0 compare with outer query value. 0 is equals to 0. 0 is equals to 0. Condition true or false? Condition true na? Yes. On which value condition true? On which value condition true? Very good. 85,000. At 85,000 your condition is true. That means 85,000 value returns. Condition true at 85,000 value. So that 85,000 value returns. So all of you clear up to here? Okay. Right. So 85,000 returns. So like the same each and every value compare now. The next comparison value. Observe. Next comparison value. 30,000. 30,000 compare with each and every value of E2 alias table data. Okay, let you compare now. Yes, now tell me. 30,000 above. How many values are there? 30,000 above. How many values are there? Yeah, one value, 2 values, 3 values, and 4. So 4 values are which is more than 30,000. 4 values are which is more than 30,000. Okay, na? But in this duplicate is there, na? So duplicate I want to count or not count? Okay, not count. Not count means this duplicate I'm not counting, guys, here. So that means now how many values are more than 30,000? Yeah, 3 values. So let you write here, your inner query result is 3. Your inner query result is 3. Okay, na? Right. Now the 3 compare with your answer. So outer query 0. 0 is equals to 3. Condition true or false? Condition is false. Okay, clear now? Right. In the next level. So 45,000 above. Let you come out. 45,000 above. You just compare now. So 45,000 above. You can compare here. How many values are there? Yeah, 45 above. One is 58 is there. 85 is there. And 85 is there. So total 3. But one is a duplicate. Duplicate don't count. Then how many values, guys? Then 2 values are there. 2. And the 2 is counting with your outer query condition now. 0 is equals to 2. Condition true or false? False. So clear? Right. And the last finally 85,000 is there. Now 85,000 count here. So how many values are there with 85,000 more than 85? 0. So that means count is what? 0. Count is what? 0. And the 0 I want to compare with my outer query value now. Then 0 is equals to 0. Condition true or false? True. At which value? At which value? 85,000. So finally, what is my answer? 85,000 2 employees are getting. So 2 employees are my first highest salaries. Now successfully we achieved. Come on. Okay, so now understand here. So there are 2 employees are getting. There are 2 employees are getting to highest salary employees. Okay, so Scott is a 1 person and Jones is a 1 more person. The 2 employees, for example, in a company, you and your friend both are working in a same company, both are working in the same department. Then your both packages are same, means you both people are getting same salary. Then if I'm asking highest salary of employees, means you both people are coming or not? Yes or no? Your both people are coming or not? Yes. So same here also. Okay, now. So this is one. But as per this, now let you see. The next question I'm asking to that. So I want to find out here The third highest salary employee I want to find out. Third highest means n is equals to how much, guys? N equals to 3. The 3 you need to substitute in your n minus 1 formula. Then 3 minus 1 is equals to how much here? 2. So let you write like this here now. Select star from EMP11 E1, where how much I want to keep here? 2. So 2 is equals to, can I write the same inner query now? Can I write same inner query or not? Yes. And now you can see your third highest salary employee got it or not? Yes. Let you see now the question is the first, second highest. Okay. So third highest we got it. Suppose in the next question is, if I want to find out here fifth highest now, n equals to how much now? 5. N minus 1 is equals to how much now? 4. If I given here 4, let you see guys here. So I can write like this now. So where 4 is equals to your inner query statement. I just copy this. Let you execute fourth highest salary in my table 15,000. So satisfied your fourth highest salary here. Sorry, fifth highest na. Fifth highest salary satisfied na. Yeah. So now here what happened, guys? Here only simple subquery I'm using to finding any and the highest salary. For example, are you going to interview panel? Are you going to interview panel and asking 30th highest salary? Then how much I want to keep in my query? Come on. So what is your query solution here? Yes. So if I want to find out 30th means 30 minus 1, 29, and 29 can I keep here? Yeah. 30th highest salary. Okay. Suppose the person is asking, then what I want to do? 49. 149. So 150th salary, 149. 1024 highest salary, then 1024 highest salary, then 1023. 2024 highest salary, then 2023. So like this you can find out any and the highest salary. Like you can find out any and the highest salary. Okay na? So it was very easy or not? But the same scenario, if I'm asking non-correlated, 30th highest salary means how many queries I need to write? Yeah, in non-correlated, 30th means 31 queries I need to write. 31 queries I need to write. That means 31 subqueries I need to write. But here, no need 30. Simply one subquery, 29. So all of you clear now? All of you clear now this query mechanism? Yes. Suppose in the next question is the people are asking to you, write a query to find out the first lowest salary employee details from a table. So lowest means a query same as usual. Which operator I'm using here? Less than. So same to same. There is nothing different. Select a star from lowest. First lowest means, can you tell me first lowest means what is your n minus 1 formula? First lowest means n equals to 1. N minus 1, what it was happen guys here? 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is equals to how much? 0. But where it is 1 minus 1 is equals to how much? 0. So the 0 I have to substitute. The 0 I have to substitute. So everything is same. But where my condition will be changed here? Where? Okay, where E2 dot salary, if I'm taking greater than highest salary. Now I want to find out lowest salary means what I want to use? Less than E1 dot salary over. That's over. And remaining same mechanism, guys, you just follow. But this time instead of greater than, which symbol I want to compare now? Which symbol I want to compare now? Less than symbol, same mechanism, just follow it. And let you come guys here. So I was given first least salary 0 and less than. So what is my first least salary? 15,000. For example, third least salary. Then what is n minus 1 formula? Third means 2. The 2 is equals to the same inner query I have to take. Okay. And same condition, less than symbol I have to take. Okay. So 1 second guys, here I apply. Yes. So now the third least salary employee details are, we got it. So like this guys, you have to find out here any nth highest salary you can find out. In the same pattern, one more is what now? How we are finding nth highest and lowest here. The same pattern, even though I can find out top people. So that means I can say to display top n highest or lowest salaries, for example, from a table. Same syntax guys, but the formula will change. Here n minus 1 place I have to take n greater than. So n greater than formula, remaining all are same to same. For example, let you see one example. Write a query to display top 3 highest salaries employee details from a table. Okay na? So top 3 highest salaries employee details from a table. Now your solution is what now? My formula n greater than. So now tell me, n is equals how much now? N greater than here, then n equals how much? Directly how much? 3. So now 3 is greater than. So the same thing I want to write here. Same thing I'm going to write in here. Let you see. Select a star from EMP11 E1 where 3 greater than of inner query. Select count of distinct column salary from EMP11 E2 from EMP 11 E2, where E2 dot salary is greater than E1 dot salary. E1 dot salary. So now top three people, you can come out or not, you can check. Yes. The top three people, top one person, 85, two people, Jones and Scott, these are the top one people. Top two, Sai, and top three, Miller. So the top three highest salaries are, or highest salary employees are, we are getting now. Okay, now the point is clear, all of you now. Like, so for example, top three least salaries I'm asking. Top three least salaries means up to here as it is. But where you want to say E2 dot salary less than E1 dot salary. So top three least salaries are coming out. 15, 30 and 45. These are the top three least salary employees are displayed. Okay now. So like this we can find out, guys, by using of correlated subquery, and same mechanism here also you just follow same to same mechanism. Okay, right. So finally the point is what now here, observe one note point, I will give it to you, easily understand here. To find out nth highest or lowest salary, then the formula is, what is my formula? N minus 1. Second one, to display top n highest or lowest salaries, then what is my formula means? My formula is n greater than. So these are the two formulas you just remember, guys. Then you can understand it how it was used. So n minus 1 we are using for nth highest or lowest finding purpose. N greater than we are using for, okay, top n highest and top n lowest salaries are performing purpose. Okay now, so these are what we called as, guys, here how we can use correlated to finding nth salary and to finding top n operations. Okay now, same to same query, just the formula will be changed. N minus 1 if you keep to finding nth highest, n greater than you can keep to finding top n salaries. Okay now, so remaining all are same to same mechanisms. Okay, right, guys. And tomorrow I stop it here. Tomorrow we will go for one more little bit topic was there in this. So maximum tomorrow your subqueries are finishing, and maximum tomorrow we will finishing our subquery concept. Okay now, because it is a very lengthy concept, subqueries. Okay, it's a very lengthy concept, subquery. That's why these many days we are spending on that subqueries. Okay now, these are the big concept in subqueries. Okay, right, yes. And tomorrow we will go for, okay, the remaining subquery part, whatever it was there, that we will be finishing. Right. Thank you, guys. Good night. Yeah, tomorrow Shivaratri, but let me know whether classes are there or not there. So officially there is no information from the management. So we will decide tomorrow. If it all of you okay, then I will take class. Otherwise, I will cancel my class. Okay now. So it's depending on you guys. Okay, right. Let me see tomorrow how many people come out. Based on that, we will take class. Okay, right. Thank you, guys.